Hey folks, can you just believe that? If I would have taken off to the shores of the Rhine River, this would be the full bath right on. And there will be a lot more rain showers like that probably for the whole night and for the next few days. I'm not saying it's raining like that for like a whole day, but it will happen in periods, you know. Half an hour, 10 minutes. "35 miles from here, there's a little village flooded, and even cars, vehicles got washed away. Heavy trash cans, like the trash cans like those ones, full trash cans washed away. Cars washed away. Tree stumps just washed away. So, yeah. Hey yo, just saying. I was thinking about, should I stay or should I go? And I was staying because I got busy on my computer doing some calculating stuff about antennas, and yeah, I wasn't quite sure what will happen if I heading off to the shores of the Rhine River. Just always kept an eye on my iPhone weather app, and because of the frequently changing wind coming from different directions, I made my decision. Gunther, you better stay home, because I don't trust that situation, and this is exactly the situation that I had on my mind. A lot of rain now. Okay, folks, I wish everyone a happy weekend. Try to stay dry. If the rain is coming along your way, hopefully not. And I keep you up to date. I'll let you know about things. 73 is your friend Uncle Gunther from the rainy city of Wiesbaden-Biebrich. 73s.